Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share some more Dior goodies. Now I recently did an unboxing of this advent calendar. This retails for $550, so it's maybe a bit too steep of a price tag. So if you are interested in the design, but maybe on a smaller scale, they offer what's called the DIOR 30 Montaigne Smaller Advent Calendar. And what's so great is it comes in this box right here. And I got both, so I will show them both to you and compare. So this is what it looks like on the outside. So it's very similar to the outside of the regular advent calendar. It is the plain white with like a textured outside. It has the same little ribbon and the Dior logo. And this is what it looks like when you open it. And so when you open it, it has the exact same design and just on a smaller scale, and it's so beautiful. I love this. And what actually is great about the smaller advent calendar, the doors are actually a little bit better quality than these kind of paper flimsy doors. These are thicker, it's a thicker cardboard, and then it has a ribbon. But before we get to unboxing the smaller Montaigne advent calendar, I wanted to show you something else from the Dior holiday collection. This is the Dior Écrin Couture Iconic Eye Makeup Palette. I posted this in my YouTube community page and also on my Instagram, which, by the way, follow me on Instagram if you don't already. It's @aheatedmess. Anytime there is a great deal, or especially with Dior Beauty, they have tons of promo codes, so it'll give you some free gifts and stuff. Okay, so when you open this up, this is the eyeshadow palette that comes in it, and this just pops out. It's magnetic. I went ahead and did it ahead of time because it is pretty tricky. I need to use a butter knife to take this out, but this pops out. When you take this out, you have this great little case here that you can keep credit cards, and then it has a mirror, and here is the opening. It opens up like a double hinge flap. So here are a stack of cards. You can see here there's a stack of cards that fit, and you still have plenty of room, and then it closes up. So you have a beautiful Dior card case, and this is only $65. I do this every year. I get one of their smaller eyeshadow palettes, and then same thing, the insert can pop right out, and then you can use this as a little Dior card case. So this is only $65. This is part of their holiday collection. And then this also is one of their newer sets. This is the Rouge Dior collection set in this beautiful velvet box. I showed this on my luxury haul video recently, but I didn't show you what it looks like when you take the insert out. So this is it opened up, and then you have 3 lipsticks and 1 lip balm, and it has a huge mirror and then these 2 satin ribbons on the side. And when you take this out, here's the insert that holds the lipsticks in place. This pops out, and then you're left with this case that you can keep jewelry inside or anything, little trinkets, and it has the satin on both sides. This is so pretty. So this really looks like an expensive velvet satin lined jewelry box, but this is a lipstick case. I'll link this below. This comes in 3 sizes. I just got the middle size, and I believe this one retails for $184, and then there's a smaller one that I believe is like $82, and then there's a gigantic one that's expensive. It's like $1,000, but this one is a great size. I also mentioned in my luxury haul that Dior Beauty started their loyalty rewards program. At this point now have all 3 gifts, so I'll show you what the 3 levels are. So this is the gift for the, I believe, silver level. You get the mini Rouge Dior 999 lipstick, the mini nail polish in the same 999, like a really pretty red, and then you get this super cute luggage tag. It's like a hot pink. It's kind of flexible. It has a mirror on the one side, and then you put your name and everything here. So this is the gift when you reach the silver level. I don't know the amounts that you need to spend. I'll find out, and I'll try to put it in the description. And then when you reach gold tier, you get this gift, and it is a travel size of the Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet, which smells so good. So this can be refilled. It's a really pretty pink with the kind of canage design on the top. It tells you, yeah, so there's it's Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet. And then it has instructions here how to refill it when it's empty. Fragrance travel set. This is just a little booklet about this set. And then you get this passport holder, which is so cool once we can travel again. There you go. It has the CD logo in silver, and it matches with the travel fragrance set. And again, this is the platinum gift. It is a Dior brush stand. There's the CD logo at the top, and then 4 brushes. So definitely sign up for the Dior Beauty loyalty program if you have not already, because then you get these gifts when you reach a certain status. Okay, so now back to the unboxing of the 30 Montaigne. So again, this is super cute. It is like a fraction of the size of the larger advent calendar, but you have the same decorations, same illustrations, just on a very smaller scale, and you even have nicer doors. So let's start opening it. Okay, now this first day, and these aren't numbered, so I'm just kind of opening it up by whatever's convenient for me. Now the first one is the J'adore Eau de Parfum in the 0.17 ounce, and this is the regular J'adore, which I love. Let's open this one. Okay, and this is another fragrance. And this is the Miss Dior Eau de Parfum, and this is the new version. I mentioned in my unboxing of the larger one, they reformulated Miss Dior, so this is a little more floral than the original. And you can distinguish the newer formulation because it has this kind of a bow, satiny, glittery ribbon versus the metal of the original Miss Dior. Okay, and on this side you have the Dior Prestige La Micro Huile de Rose, and I love this serum. Super hydrating miniature version of the full-size Dior Prestige micro oil, rose micro oil. That's what the cap looks like. And then the fourth one you get, if you don't already have it, at this point I have so many of these. This is the Rouge Dior 999 in satin. A beautiful red. I really don't wear a lot of red these days, but I should. This is almost like a universally flattering shade of red. So that is the Dior Mini Lipstick 999. That is the brand new Dior 30 Montaigne Smaller Advent Calendar. These are the 4 minis it contains, and it's $97 versus the $550 larger Advent Calendar. These are the welcome gifts for reaching the silver and then the gold status in the Dior Beauty. This is the Dior eyeshadow palette that doubles as a card case, and then the Dior lipstick set that doubles as a jewelry case. So definitely follow me on Instagram because I post more promo codes. A new one that works that I just used to order something else is Happy, Happy. That comes with a cool pink pouch. And I don't think that one has a minimum, so it works on even smaller amounts. Another one is D Rouge 21. So check those out, but also check out my Instagram. I also archive the promo codes to my Dior and holiday highlights. So I hope you enjoyed this quick video. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to catch you in my next one. Bye-bye.